Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to convert a standard clipcord connection on a coil machine to an RCA jack. Really quick and easy to do, so I'm just going to take that off. This is a Mickey Sharp's Hornet Mark IV machine. Amazing machine this. Check them out, mickey-sharps.com. I use this for a dedicated colour packer and it's just fantastic. So anyway, on with the video. As I say, I'm going to be converting this, so the machine takes this, which is a standard RCA cable. So what we need is one of these. Got this from eBay, $2.99. You can get them from China for about £1, I think, if you want to wait for them to come. Really easy to convert them. First thing we need to do is remove this post here, so I'll go in here with the Allen key. Come straight off. And then we've got a washer there. And then what I'm going to do is just hook this over. Stick the washer back on. You don't really have to put the washer back on, but I'm going to put it back on anyway, just because the machine came with it. And then I'm going to put the post back on. Just check that that hole's still facing up, because even though you've got an RCA on here, you can still use a clip cord as backup. So it's worth making sure that this hole for your clip cord is actually facing upwards and not down. That quick tighten. So that's attached there. And we're going to take another Allen key. Loosen the rear spring. Yeah. Take this off. You've got a couple of options here. You can have the jack facing at the rear. You can have it facing like this, sideways. Some people even bend these and have them facing upwards. I personally don't like them facing upwards for the simple reason it just puts a bit more strain on your cable. If it's facing up like this and gravity is just pulling this cable down all the time, you tend to wear your cables out a bit quicker. I prefer it just coming in straight from the back like you would with a rotary machine, so that's how I'm going to position it, but it's purely down to preference. Before I actually connect this to the top, I'm just going to gently wrap this wire around there, just to take up a bit of slack so you haven't got wires sticking out everywhere, and it just makes it a bit more neater. See there? And be sure not to make sure that this wire here, see that there, isn't touching anywhere under the armature bar, because obviously that's going to affect the way the machine runs. You just won't be able to tune it or anything if that's stuck under there. It's all gone in fine. Armature bar's still good. Tighten that down. Make sure the springs are still in line with the front contact screw, obviously. So before I give it a final tighten down, I've got it in place roughly where I need it, but you can see but you can see there's a little gap there. You can just push that in more, so it's making nice contact on the frame. It's making contact anyway on the top of the frame, but just makes it more snug, more contact, and make sure obviously the front spring's still lined up with the contact screw. And tighten it down. And that's it. So this Mickey Sharp's machine's now been converted with an RCA adapter on it. Show you it. And that's ready to go. It'll still work with the clip cord. You know, you can still attach that. If this was to fail, you've got a backup clip cord. As simple as that.